In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a missing order in the Dasher app and request a refund or redelivery. If an order doesn't show up, it's frustrating, but the app gives you a clear path to get help quickly. I'll walk you through exactly what to do and share a few simple tips so your request goes smoothly. Start by opening the Dasher app and heading to the Orders tab. This is where your recent and active orders are listed. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network, and if needed, pull down to refresh so the latest information loads. If you use multiple accounts or devices, double check you're signed into the right one to see the correct order history. Next, select the order that didn't arrive, tap the specific order card to open its details. Take a moment to verify it's the correct order by checking the date, time, and merchant, especially if you placed more than one around the same time. Confirming those details helps ensure you report the right order and avoid delays. From the order details screen, tap Help. You'll see a list of common options under Delivery Issues. Choose Order Never Arrived. Picking this exact option routes your request to the right support workflow and prevents back and forth later. If you accidentally choose a different category, just go back and select Order Never Arrived so the app can guide you properly. Now, follow the on-screen prompts. The app will walk you through a brief set of questions to confirm what happened. You may be asked to verify your delivery address, any special instructions, and the expected delivery window. Provide accurate information and add any relevant context the app requests. From there, you can chat with support for real-time assistance or request a refund or a redelivery, depending on availability in your area and the specifics of the order. If you start a chat, keep your messages clear and concise. Mention the order number, the time you expected delivery, and that the order never arrived. If you choose a refund or redelivery, review the confirmation page carefully before submitting. You'll typically see a confirmation in the app once your request is processed. For round-the-clock assistance, you can also call the support line. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, this is a reliable option, especially if the app chat is busy. That's it. Open the app and go to Orders, select the missing order, tap Help, choose Order Never Arrived, and follow the prompts to chat or request a refund or redelivery.